Hi everyone, it's me, Walter, your teacher. Now we're going to talk about ordering numbers in the number line. It's really important this topic because it's related with our guide, inquiry and reasoning guide. And the topic for inquiring is food chain. Remember, there are a lot of animals in the food chains, and in this case, we are going to motion, we are going to represent situation of Tigrillo and the frog. The Tigrillo lanudo needs to move from the number 50. You see the Tigrillo in the left, and the Tigrillo is going to move from number 50 to number 200. And you can count, he's going to the frog in jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. He's going to move from one place to another in 5 jumps. Okay, you need to calculate the distance between Tigrillo to the frog. Okay, for this condition, we have two options. One option is to make a little subtraction using the distance between 200 and 50. You use subtraction, it's easy because you say 200 minus 50, and the distance in this case is 150. And needs to distribute the number of 150 into 5 equal parts. Okay, how to do this? Okay, now we're going to move here to this scenario. And now we are going to see the Trujillo again. He is in 50 and he needs to jump 5 times until 200, where is the frog. Okay, how to do this? We have a problem here. Okay, now, because we need 5 jumps, I'm going to divide the number in 5 groups. And then, because of this, I'm going to present to you 5 boxes, and every single box you need to complete numbers. You need to organize the numbers in order to make a count how many numbers we need. But okay, you need to distribute 150 in five boxes. For the first chance, I'm going to move the first addition. I'm going to put the first 50 in those squares. Look at this, first 50. 150 here is the number 50. Wait, we select this, but I need transparent selection. Okay, very good. Now we can move better. Okay, the first 10, and we are going to try to jump 10 in each jump. Okay, very good. We are going to try this. We are going to move the first 10 in each group. Okay, and move the number, the selection. 1. Okay, I'm going to add 10 in this case. Okay, 10 to each one. Better, look at this. 50 plus 10, help me. 60, yes, excellent, you did it. 60 plus 10 is 70, excellent. You know how. 70 plus 10, 80. And you are here in 80. 80 plus 10, you move here, you are in 90. And finally, you add 10, and you find 100. We have a mistake. Okay, we can add 10 because it's a little number. We need to use another number, maybe too much or a little more. Okay, I'm going to undo this information. I'm going to include now, I'm going to add 10 more in each box. Wait. Okay. And now we are going to include 10 more. 10 more in each group, and you now have 10 and 10. In this case, we are going to add 20. Okay, 20. Now move for 20. Move for 20. And we're trying to add 20 in each jump. 20 is here. We are going to put here, okay, 20 more. Again, try again. 50 plus 20 is 67. 70. Very good. You did it. 70 plus 20 is 10 and 10. And you move 20. 90. Very good. Excellent. Now you are here. 20 plus 20 more. 110. Very good. One more chance. 110 plus 20 is 130. And the last one is 130 plus 20, the last 20, the last jump. And the number is 150. Okay, again, we are wrong again. For this case, we need, number is not 20. Okay, I'm going to undo this operation. And now I'm going to include 10 more in each box. Wait for me. I'm going to select number 10 here. And move the number here. Okay. 10 here. The first one. And the second one, 10. One more. In the 4 group, more 10. And finally, the last 10 in the 5th. In the box number 5. Okay, now, how many is what? How much is it? How many are there in each box? You know that? Think about it. Very good. The number is 30. Okay, very good. Now we're going to move to find at 30 in the number line because we have 5. We need to complete 5 jumps. But now jump is about 30. 30 is the amount for each jump. Okay, again, we are going to begin in 50 because the tigrillo is in the 5th. 50 plus 30 is, what is this? 50 plus 30. Can you help me? Okay, very good. The number is 80. Or 80, it's okay. 80 plus 30. Help me again. Very good, 110. Excellent. Now, the next jump, the third one, 110 plus 30 is 140. You are very clever. Excellent. And the fourth, 140 plus 30 is, okay, think about it, 170. Excellent. And the last one, 170 plus 30 is 200. We did it. This is the answer. We need to know now. We know that Tigrillo is going to jump 30 in each jump in order to get or catch this frog. Okay, very good. See you next time. This is all for this session.